Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the JavaScript mixins and also we saw how to implement the mixins as well, right? So today we'll be discussing about the ES6 class syntax and class inheritance, right? So JavaScript ES6 this one introduced class syntax for creating objects and using inheritance in a more readable way. So let's try to understand this one with a very simple examples. Initially, let's go with the basic class and constructor, and the second one will be seeing the class inheritance along with it, right? So first, let's go with the basic class and constructor. So I'll just come here. I'll just give here class animal. Inside this one, let me consider constructor. Let me pass name here within the constructor. So this dot name, let me assign this to name. Next, let's make use of the method speak. I'll just make use of the method speak here. Let me log something here. Console log of let me make use of template literals, and here let me give this dot name. Sorry. Let me delete this one. This dot name makes a sound. So we have not called the name yet, right? So here this will be, I hope this is correct. I missed this one. Backticks, I think here. Just give me a second. Yeah. After this, I'll just come here. I'll just give here let dog equals new animal of this one. Sorry. New animal of, let me call the dog within the strings. So if I give dog dot speak here, so I have to get the output dog makes a sound because the new animal that we have called here is dog, right? So within that name is there. We are assigning the name to the dog. So dog dot speak is here this one, the method speak we are calling here, right? So we have to get the output dog makes a sound. Let's try running the code. So what is unexpected identifier? Dog. So this one is correct itself, right? What's wrong here? So yeah, I have to call this one outside this one, right? So just give me a second here. Let me cut this one and let me paste it over here. So if I run the code now, yeah, now we are getting the output dog makes a sound. So we have to call outside this. I forgot this one. Anyways, so here now we are getting the output dog makes a sound. I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So here constructor of name, this one, what this does is it initializes the object. We are initializing the object right here clearly by making use of the constructor. So I hope this is clear. Next, this dot name, this one basically it assigns the past name to the instance. So here constructor of name, this one, which basically this initializes the object, and this dot name equals name, what we have given here. This dot name basically what it does, it assigns the past name to the instance. Basically we are making use of the speak method, and while I give the name dog here by making use of new method, nothing but new animal of dog, and I'm calling the speak method over here. So we have to get the output dog makes a sound. That's what we are getting here. I hope this is clear. So next, let's try to understand the class inheritance, right? I'll just continue with the same example. Now this is actually the basic class and constructor. So next, let's understand the class inheritance as well. So I'll just continue with the same example. I'll give class dog extends. What shall I give here? So this E has to be small here. 1 second. Yeah, class extends animal, right? So here I'll just make use of the speak method once again. Let me log here. What shall I log? The same thing. Similar thing. I'll just give me a second here. Let me make use of the template literals. Here within this one, I'll just give same this dot name barks. We have considered here this dot name makes a sound. This time I'll give this dot name barks, right? So after this, let me come here outside of this here. I'll just give here let bulldog equals new dog of I'll just name this one bulldog within the string. So let me give bulldog itself. And finally, we have the bulldog, right? Here, this one variable name bulldog, and we have the method speak. So I'll just make use of the speak. So if I run the code, now I need to get the output from this one. I need to get the output bulldog barks, right? So here this dot name, the name will be we are assigning the bulldog to the name, and this will be bulldog barks, right? So let's try running the code. You can clearly see here we are getting the output bulldog barks. From the previous example, we are getting a output dog makes a sound, and from this one we are extending the dog extends animal, right? This one is we are inheriting this one. Basically, we are getting the output bulldog barks, which is completely correct. Again, I'm telling extends animal. What this does here is it indicates dog is inherited from the animal. So dog is inherited from the animal. That is the reason we are making use of the keyword extends. So I hope this is clear. So again, I'm telling this extends animal we have given here this one, right? This indicates dog inherits from animal, and speak this method basically speak this is overriding the parent method. So this speak this is overriding the parent method. This time we will get the output bulldog barks, right? So I hope this is clear. So what we saw here is we saw the ES6 class syntax and the class inheritance. Initially, we saw basic class, this one till here. This one is class, this one is nothing but the class inheritance, right? I hope this is completely clear. Next, we will be discussing about the JavaScript private and public class fields. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.